Hey,
Can you unlock? Oh wait, I can
William.
unlock the door.
Oh. Yeah. Just unlock the door because you can't open this.
It's okay.
But what happens if there's a stranger? Okay, it's just okay. Yeah, I already banned a few people.
Is this a premium house?
Yeah. Okay, roleplay starts now. Okay. Hey, son, you want some bananas or apples?
Do you wanna go to grocery shopping?
Oh, sure. I will just stay here, guys.
You need a babysitter.
No. Just join. Okay. What are we gonna use? The limousine or the pickup?
Limousine.
Limousine.
We don't have a butler.
Yeah.
That means we are not rich. I'm just kidding.
Hey. It's so bad.
Oh wait, I
We
accidentally.
couldn't find the butler. Hey. Guys, come on in. I wanna go in the front. Oh, I'm fine.
I'm already at the front.
Okay, that's okay. Let's go.
And you are. And you are 10 years old. Wait, You are 10 years old.
Siya, wait. Nag-clue. I'm gonna eat my apple. You always look at your apple. Guys, this is the grocery zone here. Yeah. Wow, the grocery
Yeah.
is bigger. Okay. Lock the car. Okay. Hey, go in the car so you could lock it. There. Guys, why is the mall is so big? I don't remember this.
And there's no cashier.
And why is there so much more things? I like it.
Yeah. It's okay, we could pay.
We have meat.
Do you like a pizza?
Yeah.
Okay. What more?
I wanna sit in the seat.
I'm gonna wait at the car.
Ice cream.
Okay. Tiny.
I'm gonna go under.
There's an earthquake! Guys, there's an earthquake. Oh, it's stopped.
Wait. Northeast.
Yeah.
Why is there an earthquake?
I don't know. There's a literal earthquake.
Me too. I was so scared.
Sorry if I'm being AFK.
Oh, it's
I can't sleep, so I'm gonna
Oh, I
use
forgot
the
to put this.
computer.
I'll just put this here. Wait.
I'm gonna go grocery shopping, guys.
Okay, there.
I mean, I'm going to the mall.
No!
Wait, it's not even morning.
Wait.
I'm gonna use the TV.
It's 1 a.m.
It's only 1 a.m. I'm going to sleep.
That earthquake wake me up. Hey, son, come back.
We'll find someone who wants to be a butler.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna be in the
Okay.
hot tub because I'm so bored.
Wait.
Like so bored. And I can't sleep at all.
Oh my gosh, it's 3 a.m. I forgot. I didn't know that. Oh, hello. Do you want to be a butler?
Roblox. Hey, son, do you want to play
Yes.
some Roblox?
Oh, okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to this house. Okay, let's just go.
Oh, nakapos, I forgot. Unpause in 3, 2, 1.
I feel so bored.
Michael.
Guys.
I'm hungry. I'm going to get
Here, okay.
Oh, there's our butler. Okay, you may get in.
Guys, can I get some?
Roommate him.
Okay. Hey, Liam, can you roommate him? You can't roommate. Okay, butler, you can go in. You're welcome to be here, butler.
Okay.
Don't do anything bad.
Yeah, you could watch TV.
Okay.
Wait, son, we forgot you need to go to school.
It's 8 o'clock.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We'll just wait. We'll get ready at 6. No, it gets ready at 7. Not 8. Oh, it's 5. Let's just get ready, son. Come on.
I need to take a shower.
Yes,
No,
use
I
your...
need to eat.
Okay, eat first.
I'm going to eat a pizza.
Okay, come on.
And a waffle. Wow.
Hey, butler, can you drive our son to school?
No, okay. Hey,
Okay,
Hurry.
it's time to go.
Sure, okay.
Baby, I'm tired.
let's take a bath. I mean, you take a bath.
Yo, what? Why did you say Why did you say let's take a bath?
I'm so sorry, son.
Okay. The butler is waiting for you, son.
Okay. Hey, don't look at him. Please.
Bro,
don't.
the door is literally closed.
Oh, yeah. Hey, it's 6 a.m. Son, hurry.
Hurry.
Use your uniform now. Use your uniform.
I'm just running around the house doing nothing. But watch the computer. Yay. I'm gonna chat. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna okay, I got the message.
Did you find it now?
Oh phew. You know what? I'm gonna
Okay, are you here now? Oh, fine.
this is my job.
Drive him
Wait,
to
I'm gonna find
school.
this is my job at the bank. Oh.
Drive him to school.
I'm in a hurry.
Okay, the butler is coming to get it.
What do you mean, get it?
Sorry.
Can I
The
sit
but
on the floor?
Okay.
he said he's going to the
Oops. Why did I drive? Oh, the pickup. We're gonna use the pickup. I forgot.
Yeah. Wait, I need to go. Go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, mom. Hey.
Oh. I'm working.
Oh, I forgot.
Let's go, guys.
Hey, I'll just close it. Wait. Okay. Help.
Guys, I'm gonna be.
Hey, wait.
Okay.
Guys.
I'm so fast.
Just
Okay, tapos na ako mag-record.